In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Hootsuite from Facebook. Whether you're decluttering your social media management accounts or simply taking a break, removing Hootsuite from Facebook is a straightforward process that should take no more than 5 minutes. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, open your preferred web browser. This can be any browser you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once you have your browser open, type Hootsuite into the search bar and press Enter. Click on the appropriate link to navigate to Hootsuite's official website. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials. Keep in mind, having your login details ready will save you some time. Now that you're logged in, turn your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This icon is your gateway to a menu filled with various options to manage your account. Go ahead and give it a click. After clicking the profile icon, you'll see several options pop up. From these options, look for one labeled Social Accounts and Teams. This is the section where you manage all the social media accounts you have linked with Hootsuite. Clicking this will bring you to a new page with all your linked social media accounts displayed. Here, you'll want to locate the Facebook account you intend to remove. You might have several accounts connected, so take a moment and find the one you want to unlink from Hootsuite. Once you've pinpointed it, you should notice a gear icon or a settings button right beside it. This icon is crucial as it holds the options you need for the removal process. Click on this icon next to the Facebook account. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option that says Remove from Hootsuite. Selecting this option will initiate the removal process. You might be prompted to confirm your choice. If so, just confirm and the process will be complete. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Facebook account from Hootsuite. This will halt any automated postings or interactions between Hootsuite and this particular Facebook account, effectively unburdening your social media management tools from unwanted accounts. If you ever decide to reconnect them, the process can be easily reversed by adding the account back. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your social media connections more effectively. Keep an eye out for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.